I was wondering if you were from Maryland.
Where in Maryland?
Do you guys know where Maryland is?
No.
It's so funny because a year ago, I came to the Philippines to recruit nurses and PTs and OTs for my facility, and I actually had a map. Ipinakita ko sa mga applicants to actually show them where the Philippines, where the Maryland is, wala nakakaalam. Which is, I'm not surprised because even I, nung una ko dumating sa States, I first in New Jersey, and the first prospect of going to Maryland, sabi ko, saan ang Maryland? Ang nasa utak ko mga kalabaw, mga baka. Pero hindi naman. But anyway, it's in the East Coast. It's close to New York, it's close to Washington, D.C. Actually, we're very close to Washington, D.C. But that's where Maryland is, and that's where we are from Baltimore. What else? So, anyway, again, I wanna make a special shout out Facebook, to Miss Sonia Neumeyer, who is one of the primary drivers of this Connections Rotary Club. They have done a lot to help us, come up with all this money that we use for this event. And of course, the chair for this event is Aleli Frias. Maraming salamat to them. Again, I could have not done this on my own, and I really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. And of course, kayo rin lahat. You do know that, right? Yung mga nandito. We have Cora, we have Jay, we have Delia, we have Lenny, we have, nakita na Claire, Roy, Heidi, and Erna, and Rusty, of course. So again, mahaba-haba na. So again, thank you so much, and thank you also, of course, for San Pedro College, and of course, San Pedro Hospital, Rotary Club Waling-Waling, Waling-Waling, and Panabo, Rotary Club of Panabo. Again, what can I say? Maraming salamat. And our volunteers. I'm looking forward to working with all of you guys in the next 3 days. I do hope that, kagaya ng sinabi niyo po, I hope there will be a great partnership na mag-take natin with this mission. Again, maraming salamat.